Listen up, real men, because I'm going to teach you how to make your girl think you're cheating on her even when you're not. Why? It'll keep her from cheating on you, and it'll pull her closer into you. Because as a real man, the last thing you want to do is actually work on your relationship to make it better. What you need to do is use manipulative techniques to make it better. Have you ever noticed your girl isn't as passionate about you as she was in the beginning of your relationship? Well, if she thinks you're cheating on her, she'll want what she can't have, which will make her want you more, and thus she'll feel more passionate about you. The problem with actually cheating on her is that would be wrong. Plus, we both know you probably couldn't get laid by other people because you're barely enough for this one person who's pulling away from you. But to make her think you're cheating on her, that isn't not unwrong, it's effective. So listen up. Go to the other side of the room to check your texts with your back towards her. Anytime she asks you who you're texting, just say your sister. Through implication, this will make her think that you're dumb enough to use a female as a decoy for another female, which implies she's dumb enough to fall for it. Whenever she asks you when you'll be home, give her a time 45 minutes before the time that you'll actually be home. Then when she asks, "Where have you been?" just vaguely state, "Something came up." Walk immediately into the shower each time you get home. Act happier than you used to be. Do a new variety of sexual positions with her that you've never done before. Turn off the preview function of your text on your home screen. If she asks you why you did that, just tell her you're concerned about privacy with Big Brother and Facebook. Lock your phone with the new passcode. When she tries to get in and can't all of a sudden, her insecurities about why will escalate. Wear small amounts of women's perfume. When your girl asks you about it, gaslamp her by telling her you don't smell anything and she's just being paranoid. Keep talking about how much you admire her best friend. These techniques will make your girl doubt herself, shatter her self-worth, and ultimately make her feel so unstable that she'll need to cling to you just for some sense of stability, and thus you'll be closer. And like a real man, you've improved your relationship because now you have more control of her. You're welcome.
There's people in the world who have more things than me, and it hurts my feelings. So I'm starting a Patreon page so you can buy me more things. Oh! But seriously, guys, I am starting a Patreon. There's a lot of cool videos I want to make, new styles of videos and mini-series that I haven't been able to do before, but this funding will enable me to do that. And if you want to support, there's a lot of cool things you get in return. So if you want to join me and become an Awakened patron, just go to awakenwithjp.com/patron to join me.